అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. Good afternoon, everybody. Once again, welcome to Police Headquarters. And today's press meet we have kept mainly because since last 1 week, ever since the seizure of large quantity of heroin in the Mandla port, Gujarat, on the 16th of this month, there has been many speculations being made and false statements and claims are being made. మనం అందరికీ తెలుసు, ఈ మీడియాలో కూడా స్పష్టంగా అప్పటి నుంచి రోజు ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ అందరికీ కనపడుతుంది. ఈ ఇన్సిడెంట్ సంబంధించింది. there is no linkage with regards to the seizure of heroin and narcotic substance to the state of Andhra Pradesh, other than the address of the company. So the company address is registered with Vijayawada local address, but the persons who are operating this is not in the state of Andhra Pradesh for the past several years. He has been operating from Chennai. As per the investigation, as per the information that we obtained from the DRI and the other central government agencies who are investigating this case. మన అందరికీ తెలుసు, ఇది రోజు మీడియాలో, నేషనల్ మీడియాలో కూడా దీని డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా స్పష్టంగా వస్తున్నారు. ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద మీడియా. బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ some political leaders, some leaders are making false statements, making false allegations, which is not correct. Allegations something like a CM office pakkane జరిగడము, మళ్ళీ ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు అని, సీఎం గారు ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు, డీజీపీ గారు ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు దీని గురించి అని, ఇలాంటి వ్యాఖ్యలు, మాటలు కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ఇలాంటి అసత్య ప్రచారం చేయడము, అప్పదం చెప్పడము అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ప్రజల్నే తప్పుదావ పట్టించడము, ప్రజల్ని భయాందోళన గురి చేయడము, ప్రజల్ని అభద్రత భావనం కలిగించడం అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. మనం కోరుతున్నాము, ఇలాంటిది ప్రచారం చేయకూడదు. We request an appeal to this political parties and leaders. Firstly, we condemn such statement. It is not correct, and we appeal to the political leaders to make responsible statements after verifying the facts and not distorting the facts and making false and wrong statements. It creates unnecessary anxiety and fear in the minds of the people in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Whereas we are very confident that if at all such activities are seen or visible, police will crack down very heavily on that. We are also in touch with central government agencies, DRI, in the connection with this investigation, and we are also rendering any assistance whatsoever sought with regards to this, because even we would like to get to the bottom of this. And this is an anti-national activity. So therefore, the utmost priority has also been given. The government of Andhra Pradesh, our Honorable Chief Minister also, has given directions that we need to get to the bottom of all this, and whatever assistance is required to the central government agencies which are investigating, we will be rendering, and we are already doing that. So thank you very much. Okay. See, now, as I said, this is being investigated by the central government agencies, particularly with the DRI on the lead. So we would not like to make any comments with regards to the details. So they are on top of it. This is a case of utmost national importance. It's a question of national security as well. So therefore, we would not like to make any. Okay? Yeah. Thank you very much.